How to fix can't send friend request on Facebook. So if you want to fix can't send friend request on Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and it will take you to this kind of page where you need to scroll all the way down, tap on settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you need to scroll all the way down where you will have report a problem option, but if you don't have right here, then you can go with the help and support, and here you will have report a problem. Tap on report a problem and then again tap on continue to report a problem, and it will start creating a report. So just wait for a few seconds, and after that you can simply tap on include or don't include, and you just need to simply choose an option. So if you're facing a problem with friend request, then tap on friend request, and here you need to describe the issue. So you just need to simply write, I'm having the issues with not being able to send a friend request on my Facebook account, so please help me with that. And you can also take a screenshot or upload from your phone, and after that go with send, which is on the upper right. And once you've sent, Facebook will mail you within 24 hours on how you can fix your problem. So that's how you can fix can't send friend request on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.